Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate Facebook account. So let's jump on it. First, on the top right corner, here you will see a menu icon. Just click on that and then just scroll down. Now we need to find out the settings. Now let's click on settings. Now on the top left corner, here you will see a Meta account center. Click on that. Now scroll down. And under this account settings you will see personal details. Just click on personal details. Now on the bottom here you will see account ownership and control. Just click on that. Now you need to go on the second option, deactivation or deletion. Click on that. Now select which one you want to deactivate. Now let's click on continue. Again click on continue. And finally you need to put your password and then click on continue. Then your account will be deactivated. So hope that this video help you out. Please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.